Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, fog lights, leather upholstery, audio headphone jacks, rear, audio speed-sensitive volume control, audio rear volume control, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.